Sega, this is a premium edition, so you don't pack your premium editions like you're packing hot dog buns.
Well, my name is Daniel. Today I'm here to do an unboxing for the Yakuza 6 Song of Life Premium After Hours Edition. Before I start, I want to just tell you, I'm not endorsed by Sega or anyone or Amazon. I did buy this version from Amazon for $119.96 plus tax. So it was about $132. So late buying it. I want to buy it from EB Games. They were sold out, so I didn't buy it. And in Quebec, you can't buy it from Best Buy because this is only in English. So I bought it like 2 days after it was released on Amazon. It's good news for people that don't have credit cards. On Amazon, they accept Visa or MasterCard debit, so they just take the money off your card as like a debit card. But what I did is they had a small special where they, if you reloaded a gift card, they would give you $5 extra. So I did that, and yeah, so it cost me a little less than the $132.
So before I unbox, I want to show you. It's nice. This edition, it's very nice and uniform. You can see. The only thing, it's all in English. It's fine with me. The box shows you what it is. The box has a tattoo. It's very nice. You see, Sega put some work into designing the box. You can see everywhere. It's nice and uniform. The only thing I don't like is the cheap wrapping they use. I don't know whose this is. Maybe it's Sega. It damages the corners. I like to have my box, special edition, the box is nice and sharp, the corners, just screwed up. Because that's at the Amazon warehouse, they're throwing them around the boxes, like Best Buy does. It's nice. Comes in a nice cardboard box with the tattoo, the dog Dojima tattoo. I'm gonna open it in front of you. This comes with the game. It's a nice game. It looks like they forced the game in here. Looks like a little bit screwed up also. Comes the coasters. I'll show you what. Obviously, they have to put made in China, like we don't know. The dices, the whiskey dices. So what these are is, you put this in the freezer, they get cold, and instead of using ice for your whiskey and watering down your whiskey, you use this to cool down your whiskey. It's very nice. It has the symbols on it also, the characters, fire characters. Nice box, a bit screwed up. I don't know what they were doing. You can see. It's like it was jammed or something. Everything was jammed in. It's not very hard to get this in, you know? In gentle and out. Very gentle. It's very heavy, the box, for some reason. It must be ordered. Oh, sorry. There's a book in there. That's what they were jamming in. It's a nice book. So this, they made a few versions of the Yakuza 6. So there's the Premium After Hours edition, and then the Art of Essence edition. I guess this comes with the book, the fan art book. It's very nice. And inside the box, I didn't see, they have all the symbols inside, so you can see inside. Let's see closer. We're gonna go look at the Song of Life. You have to make it clear that it's made in China for some reason again. No idea why. Really ridiculous. What is in here? I think the glasses are in here. Yes, the glasses are in here. We have two glasses. They're not. They're nice glasses. They're not cheap, thin glasses. See, it's thick glasses. When you touch it, it breaks. No, it's not like that. I have 2 of them. Nice glasses here. The box is very nice also. So you could say this is what you're paying for, the glasses and the edition. It's a very nice edition. It's not bad for recent editions. I think it's up there for most editions. You know, for about, well, I guess it's about $90 US and 119 Canadian. So yeah, it's a nice edition. It's not too bad. It is premium, somewhat premium. So you do get the game and you do get the dices. You know, I bought the previous game. The game is supposed to be the end of the story of the main antagonist of the game. I do have the previous edition here. It was just, you know, Yakuza 0, and it did come with the thing also, and it was a bit, it was not much of an addition. It came with the business card holder, so not too bad. So, thank you for watching this unboxing. If you like this video, subscribe and put the likes on the video. Thank you.